Hi everyone. So what we're going to look at today is iMovie and green screen. Green screen allows our pupils to be in front of a video or image presenting their ideas and discussing their learning. So that allows them to enhance their points in a professional manner. So first off, we're going to open up a brand new project by going to the plus key at the top left. And once we're into here, we're then just going to go to create a movie. Now I'm going to be creating a movie about my learning of frogs in their natural habitat. So first off, I'm going to have an introductory photo. So I'm just going to go in the top right to photos, and I'm going to select my background image, which is the Inspire Programs slide. I don't want it to be moving about, so I'm just going to turn off Ken Burns, which means that it's going to focus, and I'm going to reorientate the slide so it fits in. Now, what I'm wanting to be able to do is show the animal in its recorded habitat as part of my project that I was expected to do. And I'm going to do that by going and actually finding the video I recorded on my field trip. So I'm just going to go through all my previous videos that I've made until I find that frog. And then I'm going to press the plus key and add it in. After I've done that, I'm then going to go slide all the way back to the start of my video. And now I'm going to find the image of me discussing those frogs in their natural habitat in a manner in front of it. So I'm going to go back to my movies, my videos, go to recently added, and you can see I've recorded a video of me in front of a green screen. I tap on that video, and then I go to the three dots and press green blue screen. And my video now has me talking in front of it in a layered fashion. Now this will allow me or our pupils to be able to take their learning from another environment and reflect it on it in a creative way using green screen. This will allow them to reflect on their learning of these frogs in their natural environment, just like the way David Attenborough would do and discuss it, but also allow me to sort of show a higher impact of the learning. Now, if I want to make sure that black background goes away a little bit more, I can change how strong the green screen is by going to the top bit here, selecting those two little level buttons and changing the strength, and that will fade it out a little bit more. And now it's even more impactful. Don't make it too strong though, because you can fade yourself out. That is a quick demo on how to use green screen to enhance pupils' learning.